If you are still using Excel to combine financial reports from multiple companies, you are probably spending more time than you need to. Every month, you export files, copy data between spreadsheets, check formulas, and hope nothing breaks. It works, but it is slow, repetitive, and easy to make mistakes. That is why many finance teams and accounting firms are moving to tools like Joiin. In this video, I will show you why Excel becomes difficult for multi-company reporting and how Joiin can make the whole process much faster. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, where we simplify technology for your business. And if there is any special deal available for Joiin, you will find the link in the description, and any available discount will be applied automatically. If you enjoy software reviews and business productivity tools, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Let's start with the biggest problem. Excel is a great tool, but it was not designed to manage financial reports from several companies every month. Imagine you own 3 businesses, or you are an accountant managing 10 different clients. Every reporting period, you need to export reports from your accounting software, open multiple spreadsheets, copy information into one workbook, adjust formulas, double check totals, and finally create a report that management can actually understand. Even if you are experienced with Excel, this process takes time. And every time you manually copy data, there is always a chance that something goes wrong. A small formula mistake, a missing row, or numbers copied into the wrong place can affect the entire report. Now let's compare that with Joiin. Instead of manually copying spreadsheets, Joiin connects directly to your accounting data. Once your companies are connected, the platform automatically collects financial information and keeps it organized in one place. That means you don't have to repeat the same manual work every month. One of the biggest advantages is multi-company consolidation. Instead of opening separate reports for every business, Join combines them into a single financial report within minutes. This saves a huge amount of time, especially for businesses with several companies or accounting firms managing many clients. Another benefit is real-time reporting in dashboard. With Excel, your report only updates when you manually update the spreadsheet. With Join, your reports stay connected to your financial data, so it is much more easier to view the latest information whenever you need it. The reporting tools are much more professional. Join includes profit and loss reports, balance sheet, cash flow report, trial balance, KPIs, budgeting, forecasting, and combined financial reports. Instead of building these reports manually every month, they are already available inside the platform. Another area where Join saves time is report sharing. If you are presenting financial reports to business partners, directors, or clients, you can create organized report packs instead of sending multiple spreadsheets by email. That makes the financial reporting much cleaner and easier to understand. For accounting firms, there is another important advantage. Managing multiple clients inside Excel usually means creating separate files for every business. Over time, those files become difficult to organize. Join includes multi-client management, allowing firm to keep client reports in one platform while controlling who has access to each report. The platform also supports multiple currencies. If your companies are operate internationally, consolidation reports manually in Excel becomes even more complicated. Join helps you to simplify that process by supporting multi-currency financial reporting. Search is another small feature that can save time. Instead of opening several workbooks looking for one invoice or report, you can quickly find information from one central location by searching. Security is also worth mentioning. Financial spreadsheets are often copied, emailed, and stored in several places. Join keeps your financial reports inside one secure platform while allowing you to manage user permissions for different team members. Now, does this mean Excel is no longer useful? Not at all. Excel is still excellent for calculations, data analysis, and custom financial models. But when your business grows and you are regularly combining reports from multiple companies, Excel starts becoming a manual reporting tool instead of an efficient one. That is where dedicated financial reporting software has a clear advantage. So, who should consider switching? If you are a business owner managing several companies, an accountant preparing reports for multiple clients, a finance manager responsible for monthly reporting, or a growing organization spending hours inside spreadsheets every month, then Join can save a significant amount of time. Instead of spending your energy combining numbers, you can spend more time understanding what those numbers actually mean and making better business decisions. Overall, Join is not trying to replace Excel completely. Instead, it removes one of the most repetitive parts of financial reporting by automating multi company consolidation and making reports much easier to manage. That is why many finance teams choose a dedicated reporting platform instead of relying only on spreadsheets. I hope this video helped you understand why businesses are moving beyond Excel for multi-company reporting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech, and check the description for the latest link and any available special offer. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.